Hi, I am Michael from Jamaica, and in my head, I have the stock recommendations for your financial independence, man. Today's video is about HUMBL. I know, yeah, man, that we are trading on very thin ice analyzing this company. In fact, we don't know anyone who has an unemotional attitude towards the HUMBL company. As some see HUMBL as a controlled hype, possibly even a sophisticated scam. Others see HUMBL as an ingenious fintech company, practically a new PayPal, only with greater potential and technologically far ahead of the competition through the use of the blockchain. In short, an extremely emotionally charged here. I will try to shed some light on this and hope that by the end of the video, you will be able to make an informed investment decision. If this topic interests you, then stay tuned. After the rich disclaimer, we continue. On the 9th of December 2020, Tesaro Enterprises announced the completion of its merger with HUMBL LLC. A motion was made to change the name of the new company to HUMBL Inc. and to change the stock exchange ticker symbol to HUMBL, as the new ticker symbol is not yet available on the OTC at the time of the production of this video. You can read both abbreviations, old and new, above me. Historically, Tesaro Enterprises has been a retailer of home renovation materials to residential and commercial customers since its founding in 2009. HUMBL LLC was instead a fintech app, since the two companies had nothing in common before their merger, and the new company HUMBL Inc. is also dedicated to fintech and related areas. It's logical to assume that this merger is a so-called reverse takeover. One of the aims of this merger was certainly to give HUMBL LLC access to the OTC stock exchange. This is not the normal way, but it is legitimate. The newly formed company HUMBL Inc. offers its customers three business divisions. First, HUMBL Pay, a mobile payment solution for customers, professionals, and dealers to send, receive, and convert Forex. P2P, Zalungjeng, customer to merchant payments, are now new with instant settlement of funds, patent pending. In India, the payment service provider Digital India Payments was acquired as a partner. Digital India covers 30,000 financial and merchant locations throughout India. As a Brazilian pilot project, a joint venture with BEXS Bank was launched to expand digital customers and merchant services between the United States and Latin America. The goal is to increase processing speed and reduce payment costs. Secondly, HUMBL Marketplace. Until recently, this era only included the merchandising of the own brand in the form of t-shirts, as well as a manageable number of micro merchants. To revitalize this platform, HUMBL is in talks with One Kiosk, a Nigerian online delivery service with a network of about 40,000 local retailers. And Tickery, the company's latest acquisition, should be able to place its offers there. Thirdly, HUMBL Financial. Here, the company offers its own block exchange traded index, the so-called ETX. Later cross-market investment in real estate and land will be possible via the Block 30 chain. According to HUMBL, the ETX is also available in over 100 countries. However, it is not available in the United States and some other countries. Here, approval has so far failed due to regulatory hurdles. One more word about HUMBL latest acquisition, Tickery. Tickery is a leading ticketing, live events, and box office SaaS platform featuring Latin events and artists throughout the United States, Latin America, and the Caribbean corridor. Tickery is one of the few ticketing companies to focus on the Latin market, with advanced features such as real-time reporting, analytics, box office tools, and a digital marketing platform serving over 5,000 locations and operators in the Americas. Together with Black 30, Tickery is one of HUMBL's most important acquisitions. The visionary future of the company is, as suggested to us by CEO Brian Foote, is extremely tempting. And this is the long-term plan to transfer HUMBL into a Web 3.0 platform. This would allow customers to use the blockchain-based platform to perform most of the services that they use every day, but mainly, of course, to invest, trade, and pay. The company itself says the following: HUMBL is being designed as a Web 3.0 platform that connects consumers and merchants in the digital economy. Our target audiences are consumers, freelancers, and merchants. Our goal is to create a digital layer that connects people in the commerce around the world in ways that go beyond coins, cash bills, or receipt printers. We believe this will drive lower costs, greater levels of financial inclusion, and a new decade of financial services products built on technologies like blockchain. Well, so much for HUMBL statement. So, what are the problems and the risks? Well, almost 3 months after the merger, the company's ticker symbol is still TSNP. On its web platform, HUMBLPay.com, the company states its place for jurisdiction as Singapore, whereby the way the company is registered as HUMBL Financial Singapore Pte. Limited. This is rather confusing and very unusual. Apart from the actual acquisition of Tickery and the purchase of the Black 30 and know-how, the company lives mainly on announcements, visions, and future plans. This suggests clever marketing, but that is hardly anything tangible to guide an investor. For example, verifiable facts are turnovers that can be substantiated figures. If you consider that startups like HUMBL live mainly from the imagination of the future, the insubstantiably high valuation of the company is dangerous for investors. HUMBL has proven in the test phase that the payment traffic between USA and Mexico works technically. The extent to which this will bring money into the company coffers remains to be seen. And the announced partnership in India and Nigeria are still a long way off from any technical test phases. At the moment, one can only speculate whether this will actually generate ongoing revenue. So, let's summarize. Brian Foote's vision of a decentralized blockchain-based Web 3.0 platform can certainly inspire many people. If we assume that the product offered by HUMBL will indeed be as revolutionary as the company would have us believe, and that HUMBL will overcome all the regulatory, technical, and financial hurdles in the future, then we are indeed looking at a unique investment opportunity, possibly a 1,000-bagger. But I'll be frank, in our opinion, an investment in HUMBL is currently a pure gamble. It is possible that the facts will change in the next few months. That would make me happy for HUMBL and all potential investors. And in that case, I would be happy to publish a new statement on this topic. Until then, have fun and good luck with your investment. Yeah, man. Hey, if this video has brought you any intellectual added value, please leave a comment. We are also happy to answer any criticisms or suggestions, and subscribe to our channel and benefit from our knowledge and experience on the way to your financial independence. Yeah, man. Hey, hey, hey.